Nokia web-based Telco Tower Infrastructure Management System application. Telco Tower Infrastructure Management System, TIMS, is designed as an integrated management system for telecommunication tower infrastructure business using information technology, IT, solutions. Tower infrastructure business over the world is becoming a new challenging business. In the past, most of telecommunication towers were built, operated, and owned by the operator, due to the fact that tower infrastructure is part of capital intensive in the telecommunication infrastructure deployment, and with such huge requirement of these facilities, especially in the country with more than one telecom operators or multi-operator exist in competition, hence need to have a common shared telecommunication tower infrastructure. Facilities that could rapidly reduce investment cost and optimizing the site utilization, as well as to reduce negative impact on environmental conditions, etc. Nokia Telco Tower Infrastructure Management System, TIMS, is a one-stop shop to manage your towers. It is a centralized asset management system that gives you complete overview and control of your telecommunication towers. 1. Introduction. Telecommunications technology continues to develop due to its role in being able to reach long distances globally. This telecommunication really helps people to communicate with each other regardless of how far apart they are. The greater the needs of this community will increasingly encourage the development of telecommunications technology that occurs, which of course cannot be separated from the industry. The telecommunications industry, which is seen as the backbone of the modern digital world, is required to continuously make progress in the evolution of the telecommunications network system, because the network is the main key to technology in order to remain in touch with each other, so that it is necessary to improve facilities that support the quality of the telecommunications network system, such as towers. Telecommunication. Telecommunications towers including BTS, base transceiver station, are the main infrastructure for users to access the network. The population, human, will continue to increase. This population rate has resulted in more and more cellular phone users or subscribers, thus increasing the density of telecommunication traffic. As a result, communication needs are also increasing, which has an impact on increasing the need for telecommunication. Telecom operator has outsourced various core and non-core functions and processes to multiple vendors, which pose a major challenge for all the Cs to work together in a harmony to deliver end-to-end SLAs and quality service to the client. The phenomenal growth in mobile subscribers over the last few years has created huge opportunities for the telecom infrastructure industry. The operators in developed markets have already moved on to advanced active infrastructure outsourcing. Operators in developing markets are beginning to realize the potential of passive infrastructure outsourcing. The intense competition in the telecom industry forced all the operators to look for opportunities to reduce the cost of operations by outsourcing tower infrastructure management related activities, which demand huge capital expenditure and operating expenditure. Thus the telecom tower industry is growing continuously. To cut down cost and reducing the time to market. To comply with the stipulated requirements in order to avoid the occurrence of telecommunication tower forests, as well as to minimize the potential for security conflicts in the community. In addition, it is also necessary to pay attention to public health and environmental aesthetics. Due to long-term telecommunications towers. Based on the problems above, it is also seen that the condition of the cellular telecommunications BTS towers in the city which are still being built are separated between providers. Meanwhile, on the other hand, it can also minimize the negative impacts that will disturb the community. 2. Supporting theory. 2.1 Global System of Mobile Communication Technology. GSM, 3G, 4G, and 5G technology are technology that are widely applied in mobile communications, one of which is mobile phones. This technology is digital. GSM technology works by utilizing microwaves, and the process of sending this technology is divided by time. The mobile cellular telecommunication architecture consists of A. The mobile station subsystem, MSS, consists of mobile stations, which are components of devices used to communicate by subscribers. The MS in question is a physical device that is used with a subscriber identity module, SIM, or smart card. Because without a SIM, MS can only be used on emergency traffic lines. B. Base station subsystem, BSS, which has the function of being in charge of each connected BTS radio so that it controls the work of the BTS and handles call handovers between cells controlled by the BSC. In addition to the BSC, there is also a base transceiver station, BTS, which functions to handle the interface or direct connection with the MS and also functions as a signal sender and receiver. C. Network and switching subsystem that functions as a call process controller and is responsible for the functions of components related to customers. This stage consists of MSC, mobile switching controller, HLR, home location register, and VLR, visitor location register. MSC is the core of the GSM network that functions as network interconnection. HLR serves as a permanent database for all data from customers. For VLR, it functions as a temporary customer information database. In addition, there is also an AUC, Authentication Center, AUC, which functions to confirm the user's identity and keeps call secrets, and EIR, Equipment Identity Register, which functions as an MS database. D. Network Management Subsystem, namely the Operation and Support System, is a subsystem of the GSM network that functions as a control center including fault management, configuration management, and inventory management. 2.2 Telecommunications Tower. Shared telecommunication tower is a term for the provisions of regulations for the construction of towers and the joint use of telecommunication towers based on government regulations. With this, the government intends to minimize as well as make the best use of the land space for the construction of the tower. Even so, this must also take into account the stability of the growth of the telecommunications industry. Based on the place of establishment, towers include two types, namely towers built on the ground, greenfield, and towers built on top of buildings, rooftop. Meanwhile, based on its structure, the telecommunication BTS tower is divided into three. 2.3 Calculation data in supporting needs. Geographical Information System, or often referred to as Geospatial Information System, is an information system used to compile, store, revise and analyze data and attributes that refer to the location or position of objects on Earth. This means that data or information that refers to the location or position of objects on Earth is termed spatial data or information, while attributes describe the characteristics of the spatial data. More specifically, the components of spatial data include geographic position/location, attribute data, spatial relationships, and time. The calculation support is divided into several categories, which can be explained as follows. A. Traffic capacity. The amount of traffic is measured in units of time, where the value of the traffic of the channel is obtained from the length of time it has been occupied by the channel. One of the purposes of the traffic calculation is to determine the network performance and the quality of service of the telecommunications network. The traffic capacity can be calculated by the call average by defined formula. B. MapInfo application display. MapInfo is a geographic information system, GIS, based software that has a function for managing maps in the form of spatial data or in the form of Excel data, based data, and the like, with a user-friendly display. That makes it easy for users. Software has the ability to combine and display a single map with data from various sources, formats, and projections. 3 methods defining tower cell planning. There are several stages of research procedures carried out in this study, namely research data collection. Methods, data processing methods and modeling methods for telecommunication BTS tower structure. Design. The research data collection method consists of 1. Study of literature. 2. Observation. 3. Secondary data collection. Then the following stages apply data processing methods, which include 1. Estimated total population growth. 2. Estimated number of cellular service user growth. 3. Traffic capacity calculation. 4. Propagation calculation. 5. Calculation of the number of BTS and telecommunication tower. 6. BTS tower mapping using map info. In addition to data collection methods and data processing methods, the application of the telecommunication BTS tower structure design modeling method is also carried out by carrying out 2 important aspects, namely 1. Determining the location of BTS and 2. Determination of control equipment location points for each provider. 3. Location of research, data analysis, implementation results, and validation. TIMS is the solutions. Time to market and managing site location is critical for tower provider businesses. At TIMS, we focus on quality and speed of site management, combined with an innovative core workflow framework using industry standard components such as Microsoft Windows Workflow as our middleware built around a web-based framework. Our off-the-shelf workflow solutions can be quickly configured and customized and implement workflow solutions that automate and speed up your business processes. We provide our customers with competitive advantage through quicker time to market and time savings through streamlined automated process. Traditional workflow solutions are expensive to deploy and cumbersome to manage. TIMS provides web-based solutions that helps you of the need to purchase hardware, upgrade environments, and install software. TIMS have innovated and built a core web workflow framework that is highly configurable. We have implemented several workflow-based applications using our core platform and using agile development processes to map our customer requirements that are delivered on a hosted or software service model. We have been long time in developing business process mapping for the entire telecom supplier value chain that can manage complex business life cycles. TIMS Infrastructure Lifecycle Management Platform is suitable for companies that utilize capital assets and telecommunication tower infrastructure to deliver products and service to their customers, including telecom and wireless operators, companies that provide services for installation, commissioning, operations and maintenance of telecommunication sites, etc. TIMS application is software solution built to effectively and efficiently manage all business processes of tower infrastructure provider companies. The TIMS manages all sites data related including on existing sites, planned sites, progress and status of survey and searching of new site candidates, site acquisition, site construction, site testing and commissioning, site tenants data management, site log and schedule maintenance, site properties, data management, site asset and inventory management including automatic depreciation calculation and asset valuation calculation from selected residual value and depreciation method. For management overview, TIMS also be facilitated with a dashboard display both on graphical and numbers. Presentation of various data, including total number of sites which are grouped by site status, by tower type, by site location, by city, by province, by island, and by country. The dashboard indicator also display the number of tenant per site, number of all tenants, and site tenancy ratio, etc. Details report and analysis data in both graphical and numbers are also available for each functional modules, such as for site location, customer and order management, vendor and procurement data, user transaction data, etc. TIM's Infrastructure Lifecycle Management application is designed to suite all business process related to telecommunication infrastructure that meets most of these requirements. Provides all detailed information of site data, document related site, address and PIC contact and integrated database, 24x7 available online to collate, record and display content-rich asset/location information in just a few clicks. Site finder and searching the nearest available sites for best and quick offering. Possibilities to the client, a web-based service. The location manager is a 24x7 available to have a branded internet tool to show internal and external customers/stakeholders sites and infrastructure information in just a few clicks. It enables you to collate, manage, plot, and generate reports on all infrastructure/site information in single, online, search-enabled, real-time managed software that is integrated. The application enables you to generate revenue through the increased visibility of the entire portfolio for sales, rental, and sharing. TIM's functional modules. TIM's consist of integrated functional modules to manage all its related database to maintain its data relationship and integrity to ensure that the system working properly. The following main functional modules are available in the TIM's application. Administrator provides function for user management access properties. Each user may be assigned level of authorities using the application, and the system administrator may display various reports of the user transaction logging. Master data. Master data consist of the following main data that are used in the system to provide easy data transaction and to minimize retyping process on the data entry. Corporate related data. Main corporate data, offices data, office buildings, office floors, office rooms, shareholders, board of directors, divisions, department, HRD resources, bank accounts, document, and files. Customer related data. Main customer data, customer office addresses, customer board OD directors, customer shareholders. Customer bank accounts, document, and files. Customer related sites. Vendor related data. Main vendor data, vendor office address, vendor shareholders, vendor board of directors, vendor banks accounts. Vendor products, vendor services, vendor bank accounts, vendor document, and files. Telco tower related data. Tower site data, collocated customers, collocated shelters, collocated BTS and antennas, IDU, ODU, collocated radio link and antennas, collocated rectifier, collocated battery, collocated MCB, collocated kilowatt-hour meter. Collocated generator set, tower type data, area type data, building type data, permit type data. Site rollout management. Provides workflow collaborative process-driven application to plan, manage, track and complete rollout and co-location projects on time and on budget for initial rollout planning schedule, survey, and searching site. Candidate, selecting the best possible site candidate alternatives for optimum acquisition process, project. Implementation tracing and monitor. Rollout Manager is a comprehensive collaborative workflow-driven application to effectively plan, manage, track and complete rollout of infrastructure projects on time and on budget. It helps users manage and complete infrastructure rollout and completing projects on time through effective monitoring of project milestones, managing and tracking of the projects at each stage. The application gives a clear view of the project costs and also whether the necessary regulatory approvals are secured. With Rollout Manager, you can search the proposed location given by customers in your existing infrastructure site database, surveyed site, and earlier proposed sites. You can mobilize resources, manage site survey, search for infrastructure locations, manage location identification and multiple site acquisition processes with the built-in milestone-driven project management tool. Process workflows, milestones and work queues. Search ring for existing, proposed, surveyed sites, and adding of new search rings. Management of site survey, identification and approval process, the rollout management. Functional module is summarized as follow. Rollout planning, site candidate plan, planning tasks including survey, acquisition, permits handling, construction and acceptance testing. Rollout starting and progress. Progress tasks for survey, acquisition, permits handling, construction and acceptance testing. Site activation and rollout project closing. Site colocation management. This will manage the sharing of infrastructure and cellular sites that enable users to find share masts, towers, sites and cabins through workflow that automates the business processes in sharing of network infrastructure. COL Location Manager workflow system helps companies to minimize infrastructure rollout costs by providing a central system to find and share infrastructure, e.g. masts, sites, cabins, etc. This is highly relevant in telecom industry where mobile companies can benefit directly from sharing of towers and other network infrastructure. The application automates the business processes involved with the process for implementation of sharing infrastructure across a particular customer. It can be deployed by one or multiple companies sharing the site or site/asset providers. The application has all the functionalities of TIM's infrastructure lifecycle management platform, but provides the added feature of business partner connectivity externally for online approval of milestones. Each different business partner, customer, can have different SLAs configured. SLAs can be defined for the different types of sharing required, e.g. cabin share, antenna share, and dish bolt-on. External workflows are configured in the system, based on organizational contacts and region. Site colocation management functional module will manage all customer colocation process or dismantling process such as customer colocation assignment/removal, customer colocation/removal of shelter, BTS. Radio link, rectifier, battery, power MCB, kilowatt-hour meter, and generator set, etc. Site Asset Management. Site Asset Manager is a comprehensive application to watch your sites and infrastructure in real time. The application provides drill down the representation of the infrastructure or site assets. The data from the infrastructure or site is fed into the system through tracking devices or manually fed data. With Site Asset Manager, you can now understand where your business assets are located and what asset sits at a site. This also includes main asset accounting and depreciation functionalities. For full inventory management of all your sites, the system provides snapshot views of all your site information and creates a view and representation of your asset data located on each site. Site Maintenance Administration. Operations and Maintenance, O&M, Logging Manager, is a centralized application that acts as the heart of infrastructure lifecycle, with focus on asset health, visibility, and control over all ongoing operations and maintenance activities related to infrastructure and sites. The application enables automated management and tracking of all on-site maintenance logging results and status, maintenance schedules of on-site infrastructure. The application allows collaboration of internal and external users, to effectively plan, manage and monitor preventive as well as condition-based maintenance activities, that minimize O&M costs while optimizing resource utilization and improving service quality. To ensure optimum uptime of assets and sites via preventive maintenance and outage management, reduce downtime penalties on managed sites, with proactive monitoring and service views. Increase infrastructure life through efficient scheduling of infrastructure care visits. Mobile workforce to provide on-site auditing and transparency that work is done correctly. Top 10 problem sites instantly visible on your dashboards, allowing you to focus on regions, suppliers, or infrastructure, which costs you the most and hence reduce risks and liabilities. Detail service view on sites, giving your customer-facing teams instant knowledge of their issues mobile workforce to provide on-site auditing of field operations to check electricity/diesel/solar cells/ to ensure that work is done correctly. Quickly see the level of operational spend, which allows you to understand your liabilities and areas that need to be improved. Site maintenance application modules provides preventive site maintenance schedule, corrective maintenance for all available system including tower site and fencing maintenance, customer collocation system including shelter, BTS, radio link, rectifier, battery, power MCB, kilowatt-hour meter and generator set, etc. Internal messaging provides users with the internal memo messaging function to deliver text memo message, files, and photos between users, which is secured because it is stored in own server storage. Reports and dashboard. The reporting manager helps the each level management to measure, monitor, and compare the actual performance of business with preset goals through regular information reports, at the various levels of site build, operations, selling, rental, and share stages. It helps in ensuring better operations, thereby helping the business remain fit in a competitive environment. Reporting Manager is built in Teams's proprietary web-based, allowing businesses to run powerful reports using a web browser. Innovated by Teams, Reporting Manager provides you with a web-based point-and-click interface for reporting. Users can select data columns, order data, and export data to Microsoft Excel. User can save reports, share reports. Telco Tower Management System Modules. Administrator. Asterisk User Properties. Asterisk User Logs. Asterisk App License. Asterisk Vendor Properties. Asterisk Vendor Logs. Asterisk Tenant Properties. Asterisk Tenant Logs. Master Data. Asterisk Corporate. Asterisk Vendor. Asterisk Tenant. Asterisk Item Inventory. Asterisk Item Warehouse. Asterisk Chart Account. Asterisk Currency. Asterisk Taxes. Asterisk Cost Center. Asterisk Numbering. Asterisk Item Group. Asterisk Unit of Measure. Asterisk Tower Site. Asterisk Tower Type. Asterisk Building Type. Asterisk Site Type. Asterisk Area Type. Asterisk Permits Type. Asterisk Area Class. Asterisk Access Road Type. Asterisk Country. Asterisk City District. Site Rollout. Asterisk Site Planning. Asterisk Site Survey Process. Asterisk Site Selection Process. Asterisk Site Acquisition Process. Asterisk Site Permits Process. Asterisk Site Construction Process. Asterisk Site Testing Acceptance. Asterisk Site Ready Operation. Tenant Site Co-location. Asterisk Colorado Tenant Site. Asterisk Colorado Shelter. Asterisk Colorado BTS. Asterisk Colorado Radio Link. Asterisk Colorado Air Condition. Asterisk Colorado Rectifier. Asterisk Colorado Battery. Asterisk Colorado Genset. Asterisk Colorado MCB Power. Asterisk Colorado Kilowatt-hour Meter. Asterisk Colorado VSAT. Asterisk Colorado Solar Cell. Tenant Site Co-location Dismantle. Asterisk Dismantle Tenant Site. Asterisk Dismantle Shelter. Asterisk Dismantle BTS. Asterisk Dismantle Radio Link. Asterisk Dismantle Air Condition. Asterisk Dismantle Rectifier. Asterisk Dismantle Battery. Asterisk Dismantle Genset. Asterisk Dismantle MCB Power. Asterisk Dismantle Kilowatt-hour Meter. Asterisk Dismantle VSAT. Asterisk Dismantle Solar Cell. Site Maintenance. Asterisk Main Schedule. Asterisk Main Tower and Fencing. Asterisk Main Shelter. Asterisk Main BTS. Asterisk Main Radio Link. Asterisk Main Air Condition. Asterisk maint rectifier. Asterisk maint battery. Asterisk maint genset. Asterisk maint MCB power. Asterisk maint kilowatt hour meter. Asterisk maint VSAT. Asterisk maint solar cell. Site fixed asset. Asterisk asset tower fencing. Asterisk asset shelter. Asterisk asset BTS. Asterisk asset radio link. Asterisk asset air condition. Asterisk asset rectifier. Asterisk asset battery. Asterisk asset genset. Asterisk asset MCB power. Asterisk asset kilowatt hour meter. Asterisk asset VSAT. Asterisk asset solar cell. Reports. Asterisk data tower sites. Asterisk data site rollout. Asterisk data site co-location. Asterisk data site dismantling. Asterisk data site maintenance. Asterisk data site asset. Messaging. Asterisk inbox. Asterisk outbox. Asterisk draft. Your account. Asterisk change password. Asterisk change photo. Asterisk change language. Asterisk log history. We offer web-based software as services, SaaS, for your business solution. Nokiasoft, the software engineering services, believes, practices of the software engineering principles and best practices. Our adopted process framework, and our conviction on quality based our own software development experience, enables us to deliver the best to our customers. While software engineering has been around for decades, its adoption leading to business success through improved quality and predictability has been, by and large, a mirage. Software is essentially a construction in mind and, a collective one at that, with many stakeholders of varying interests and skills. Applying the engineering principles is more of continuous refinements of an adaptive process rather than adoption of a prescriptive process. Nokiasoft, with its wealth of acquired knowledge and more than a decade of experience, has specialized in transitioning itself and its customers into sound software engineering practices without undue documentation and technology overheads. We are the only IT consultancy management, design and development, software as services, SaaS, and cloud application solutions. SaaS app on cloud server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center cloud server. SaaS app on VPS server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center VPS server. SaaS app on dedicated server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center dedicated server. SaaS app in-house server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on your in-house server. Professional business application service provider. Software as service, SaaS, provider. Software as a service, SaaS, is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the Internet. SaaS is one of three main categories of cloud computing, alongside infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. VPS and dedicated application services. We also offer customers to run our web-based applications with a VPS that runs its own copy of an operating system, and customers may have super user level access to that operating system instance, so they can install multiple applications that runs on that OS. The system working 24 hours with high bandwidth internet connection. Agile software development. Agile software development is a conceptual framework for software engineering that promotes development iterations throughout the life cycle of the project. Website development. Our expert team of website developers and digital strategists use cutting-edge technology and best practices to create custom sites that increase user engagement. We understand that every custom web development project is unique. We want to get to know your brand, understand your needs, and determine an appropriate timeline and project plan tailored to your business. Anwar. Founder, Anwar. Email, nokaisoft@gmail.com.